What is going on, guys? Actually running a little bit behind schedule with this whole dyno day thing because we actually got a tornado and tropical storm run through here. So today's actually Friday. I'm supposed to have the car there Wednesday, but I couldn't get out of work. So with that being said, we're just going to drop the car off today. Hopefully they can get me in next week because, like I said, we are a little bit behind schedule and they kind of got to make room for me now, I'm assuming. But yeah, we got the truck and trailer ready to load the car up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the car on there now, and hopefully we can be on our way. Do got to put the exhaust in here actually, so we can have that fabbed up with the downpipe and the mid pipe that we're getting made.
Tornado neither. But this stuff looks rough out here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but looks rough. So it's good we dropped the car off when we did. But the schedule now is looking like it's Friday afternoon for Friday evening now, so they probably won't touch the car till next week, and we're gonna do down pipe, mid pipe, wire up the clutch slip valve. That I really wasn't worried about the clutch slip valve, but he offered to, so I was like, go ahead and do it. We got to wire up a separate relay and everything for it, so we're gonna do that, and then hopefully that stuff will be done by Wednesday, and we can be tuning by Thursday, Friday. So we're, you know, about a week or less. But yeah, by the time this video goes up, it'll be less than a week. So that's where we're at right now, and that's just a small update for you guys. So it's gonna wrap up this video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and check the next video out to see what kind of power the car makes. Take care.